career visioning. Why is this so important for us right now? If you are feeling stuck in your job, at your work, and you are thinking of pivoting into a different role or even a new industry, oftentimes we feel stuck and we don't know how to get there. But the good news is we are here to help you. Firstly, we need to have a vision about what does that new role look like? What does that industry look like? We can first find out more about that through talking with people in our network or even in our friends' network. We are here to guide you through how to do that. It's also about understanding what are the skills that are needed for that role and how can we acquire those skills. Next, it's about doing an audit about where are we right now, looking inward to see what are the transferable skill sets that we've already acquired that we can bring with us into that next role. Be it stakeholder management, critical thinking, problem solving, persuasion, influence, selling. You probably already have some of those skill sets. So you're not starting from zero. We are here to help you look inward to being able to articulate what are the skills that you already have to pivot into your desired role. Whether it's being a UX designer, a UX researcher, a marketing professional, whatever it is, we are here to show you how you can start now and start simple to pivoting into that new role that you want for yourself. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now and I'll see you soon.